So, in this part, we're going to be going over some details and some photo textures. So, applying photo textures can be a great way of just finishing up your painting, giving it that icing on the cake. It's in no way the fundamentals of the painting. We've already gone through that. This is literally just last minute details. When it comes to sketching, you can get some details quick and easy. And a good way of doing it is to go out in nature like I am now, take some photos. So you don't even have to steal photos off Google, you can use your own reference. Stop being lazy. So yeah, enjoy guys, peace.
Okay, so here we are. So far so good. I'm going to work on some light coming up here. Turn it a little bit more green. Apply some grass growing on these hills here. So this bit's kind of the boring bit. The main part of the painting is done. We've got our composition, we've got our colour scheme, we've got our light scheme. Hard light coming through from the right. Light in the background, dark clouds on top. So I'm happy with that. Nice and moody. It's just a setup that works. This is the thing, like, I've seen this, I look through art all the time, and I'm always, when I'm out and about, you know, I just come back from Wales this weekend, always taking notice of the world, my surroundings, when I'm walking about in nature. And it just so happens I noticed a kind of light setup while I was away, like this. It just rained, light was just bursting through the clouds, and then I literally just did a voicemail on my phone and said, right, remember this, and then we're gonna do a painting based on that experience. So, gives your stuff a little bit more meaning when it's based off something you've actually seen while out and about. Right, so we're creating a focal point here, which means we need lots of little shapes. So we're going to do loads of little rocks, little details, draw the eye to the details. The eye likes details, but it's a catch-22 because the eye also hates details. It likes, if the whole image was completely detailed, it's just ugly to the eye and the mind. You want areas of detail, areas of no detail, areas of chaos, areas of rest. It's all about creating balance. And contrast as well. So this is some really nice contrast here. Got some light coming through here, and then the contrast of the rock that's completely in shadow over here. So the eye is going to be, so basically focal point wise, it's good to have 3 focal points, especially in a landscape, because it's almost like you're taking the viewer on a tour of this area. So we've got 1, 2, and then they're probably going to follow this light up and go to here. So compositionally, that's going to work nicely. Let's paint in some light. Follow our contour, our perspective contour lines as shown in the sketch phase of my tutorial. If you've seen that, if you haven't seen it, go back to it. This is basically from start to finish how to create a landscape. All you've got to do is practice. So I know on YouTube people just hold back a lot because obviously they want you to buy products, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it from start to finish for you guys. Again, I'll get better at explaining all this the more I do it. And I've noticed a lot of new subscribers as well with the last videos I've been uploading, so that's great. The more subscribers, the more videos. I'm a people pleaser. It keeps me going, knowing that people are interested. Alright, so this is going to be more or less completely in shadow, and that's going to make it more intimidating. A Goliath of a rock structure. That's what it is. Titan. What am I talking about? Oh my god, what did I just do? Jesus. Hate it. Hate it when that happens. I don't even know what it was. God damn it. Oh, there you go. That was it. Right, we're going to start tightening up these edges now. So, lasso. Boom. Let's create some hard edge, because then your eye will be drawn to the hard edge. And that creates a focal point. And it contrasts the soft edges of the clouds. How's that looking? Remember, go with the line work. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Just fire it out. God, how do I deselect? Deselect, no. Deselect, no. Shift, no. Man, so annoying. Still not used to this Mac. Select, deselect. Okay. Just have to do it the annoying way. Be nice to see in the comments some ideas of what people want to see. I'm going to do some shorter videos of just quick tips and stuff like that. How to set up a Photoshop file, how to set up a tablet, how to get work as a freelance artist in 2023, how to travel and work. There's going to be loads. It's going to be a crazy time. This is looking alright now. So shadow, this is mostly shadow, this rock. Basically, with landscapes or with anything really, you've got to come up with a scheme and stick to it. So a value scheme, meaning where's the shadow, where's the light, and your composition, most importantly, which is what we did in the sketch phase. And then you've just got to stick to it. If you start diverting from it too much, then it just becomes a different painting. There's no purpose to it. The viewer is just going to be very confused as to what you're trying to show. Right. Then that bit there. Let's get some nice soft edges. I think I might end this video soon because it's just more of the same. And then the next phase we'll put in some effects. I probably won't do any photo textures on this one. It might just be a time lapse with some commentary, to be honest. I'm literally running out of things to say. This is just that the fundamentals of the painting's already been established. We are just detailing and refining shapes while sticking to the fundamentals of the painting. Let's use this. This is a really good smudge brush for rocks. Look, it's like instant rocks. I love it. Bam. If you see me look over there, it's just I've got another navigator screen to give me a small version of my painting. Because as I've said loads of times before, the composition doesn't work zoomed right out. It ain't gonna work zoomed right in with loads of details. Factoid. I really like that. That's cool. Moody. Just like my soul. Let's clean that up. What have I done there? That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, I think we'll stop it there. I think I'm going to move this onto my Windows PC, and then we'll just do a time lapse of the details with a little bit of commentary over the top, and we'll finalise this little painting. It's literally just for practice, this one, so just in between client work, so no pressure, no big deal, but hopefully it helps you guys get to painting. Kind of don't really look like clouds yet. The answer to that is the mixer brush. Get those nice, fluffy, soft edges to the cloud. Fluff them up, and then contrast that against the hard edge of the rock. That's how you can tell it's a cloud and what is a rock. It's the edge style. I like that there, it's cool. Very, very wishy-washy, atmospheric. Let's just blend it all down just for a while. Not a bad start. Okay, I'm going to stop it there, and then we're going to start to do some details.
So that is it for this tutorial series on landscapes. If you could leave me some comments with anything that you'd like to see in future. I've got a billion ideas, I've just got to find the time to do it. I'm a little bit out of breath right now. So yeah, I just want to share some knowledge, hopefully build a little bit of a following on YouTube now. The more subscribers I get, the more encouraged I'll be to make better quality videos. I just want to release videos that are just no nonsense, because I feel like a lot of people hold back a lot because they want you to pay for the real knowledge, whatever. I'm just going to share everything. I don't care. So yeah, peace guys.